Hey Vangabonders, in this video you're going to watch us completely strip down the bus to just metal. Will we regret it? Watch to find out. We're also going to be making a big order of replacement panels, so wish our wallets good luck. Now let's get to that video.
To be honest, I am not typically scared of bugs. This is just gross. We're gonna take out this. I'm not gonna touch that. What the? Okay. Yeah. Now one more side and we'll be done. And then we're gonna pressure wash this baby. The engine needs a bath. Swirl high, protect me. Don't call me to do insulation removal. Thank you.
Peace, love, and happiness.
Thanks for letting us borrow your pressure washer.
Let me see something else. It's not mine.
So I got this. That's a doodoo bug.
The doodoo bug. We got like several nests in these trees.
Turned into a doodoo fly.
And they're coming down.
It does that kind of the whole thing. As promised, we're choosing one lucky commenter who commented, please put your phone on silent, and we're putting their name in the bus. Permanently. Oh, so close, Handy Hopey. It is Lewis Cuff! Please message us on Instagram and we will put your name on the bus. If you like what you're seeing so far, make sure to hit the like button below. If we get 100 likes on this video, one of the random comments, you guys get to decide my next tattoo. It's gonna go on my leg. We'll choose a random commenter. This is a big mistake. But if you guys could get this to 100 likes, one of you guys gets to choose my next tattoo. Anyways, thanks for watching, subscribe, and back to the video. I ain't never removed a windshield before, but this seal seems to be doing nothing. So we're just gonna kind of cut it and pull off the windshield, I guess. That actually cuts like butter. I thought it wouldn't cut very well. Always use a new blade. Oh, look at, easy peasy. This one gonna come right out. I want to shatter this thing. That doesn't seem too rusty behind that. I ain't never done this before, so don't judge my technique. Shatter glass in your fingers. Alright. Alright, go put it outside. That shouldn't come off like that. It's supposed to be attached here. But that's fine. As you can see where this mounts, well, it's gone. So let's find all the rust and see how much money we're gonna spend on this shenanigan. We'll start from back to front. As you can see, this is badly dented. I'm not gonna try to pull that. I have a donor. You're gonna see that in either the next episode or the one after that. It's pretty exciting. These gutters are completely gone. Water just comes right through there. Crust central, along with this over here, and that. The frame, as far as under, looks pretty good. Oh, this windowsill, obviously we can't clip that little thing to this, so we're gonna have to either buy that, I don't know if they sell that, or we're gonna need a donor. All this gutter, we're gonna need a new roof clip in reality. The donor is actually from a 72 pop top, so we might be doing a little bit of a pop top donor. As you can see, the previous owner had hacked these holes in it to put some kind of something, and we put the max air fan in that hole. You can watch that video, I'll link it here. Pretty exciting stuff. If you look down here, the bottom of the roller track is rusted out. My theory is right there where that gutter's broken, water would just come straight down and pool in here. So we need new rocker and new slider assembly. That's gonna be very complicated to weld. I'm not excited about that. I just found that hole. We're gonna need this whole skin. This is obviously gone here. So we're gonna need this skin. We got rust holes here. I like how I'm using a piece of rusty point. The dog legs are completely gone. The floor, completely gone. This is not so rusted here. Probably just grind it down and paint it. That's a problem. We're gonna need to replace this dog leg. Floor there. In here, there's some pretty significant rust. Other side's good, so we're gonna have to replace that. The rest of the frame looks good. If you look at all that, they had some kind of coating on it that really protected it from the elements. I don't know why some of the stuff really rusted and some. This rocker looks crunchy. Yeah. Absolute crunch fest. This is pretty crust here. I don't know what you'd call this piece, but water used to come in through there when it would rain and wet our clothes. And this part is solid, but for some reason it rusted here. That, I couldn't tell you why. Rust is like cancer. You must eradicate it all or it will come back. And even when you do eradicate it all, sometimes it comes back. This corner's crusty, along with this being dented. So it looks like we're gonna have to buy this piece as well. I think this is gonna be fine if I grind it down really good and paint it with some POR 15, probably. I think it'll be fine. Once we get to really wire wheeling it, we'll see if there's any pits. If there are, we'll have to weld some metal. This battery tray is gone, but that side seems pretty solid. Mostly. Frame, once again, if you look at the frame from here, it's solid. I can see light through here. Basically, this whole floor needs to be replaced, which I know they sell it, but I prefer to get it from a donor. There's an episode where we patched these in. I'll link that now. Then this one, you can see this is a big crusty hole. Some of it's gonna be from donor, some of it's just gonna be kind of metal that we shape and weld in. We're trying to go as original as possible, keep as much original metal. And then finally, the nose, the most typical rust spot on these. I mean, you guys could tell before this nose was bad. I mean, some of it's solid. This is dented here. The point is, it's gonna be expensive, but I'm gonna order a whole nose, cut this piece and patch here, trying to keep as much original metal as possible. I'll tell you what, I never thought I'd see Tangy stripped down this far, but I'm excited because I could finally do the full restoration that I always wanted to do, but never had the money, and kind of still don't. But we're gonna just wing it, take out another mortgage on the house. The chopper I'm building, all kinds of bus parts. Obviously I'll work out, you know? So now that we know what we need, it's time to make the order.
What are you
Whoa.
doing?
What in the world did I? Anyways, we're about to make a big, fat order, throwing down lots of stacks, so stay tuned for when the parts come in. It's gonna be like Christmas. It's gonna make the money worth it. To the winner of the randomly generated writing your name on the bus, your name's gonna go here. If you like that video, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Remember, one of you guys is gonna get chosen, so please make it a good tattoo, because my leg is already pretty disgusting. And subscribe. If you subscribe, the channel grows, the videos get better, everything gets better, and hit the bell notification. In the next episode, it's either gonna be Bugapalooza, or it's gonna be us out searching for bus parts. Or perhaps bus parts are coming in the mail. I don't know. I'm gonna order express priority 100% many dollar shipping. Anyways, thanks for watching. We love you guys. Vangabonders out.